Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is COVID-19 part 2. Prolonged prothrombin time elevated C-reactive protein level and admission to hospital associated with severe course of COVID-19 with transfer intensive care of unit ICU. Between 5 and 50% of COVID-19 patients experience long COVID condition characterized by long-term consequent persisting after typical convalescent period of disease. Most commonly reported clinical presentation are fatigue or memory problem as well as headache, shortness of breath, loss of smell and muscle weakness, low fever and cognitive dysfunction. Strategies. Goals of mitigation include delaying and reducing peak burden on healthcare, flattening curve of lessening overall case and health impact, progressively greater increasing healthcare capacity, rising the line of such increasing bed count and person and equipped help to meet increased demand. Many countries attempt to slow or stop the spread of COVID-19, recommending, mandating or prohibiting behavior changes, while other related primarily providing information measures ranging from public advice, stringent lockdown, outbreak control strategy are divided into elimination and mitigation. Expert differentiate between elimination strategy, zero COVID and aim to completely stop spread of virus within community. Mitigation strategy, commonly known as flattening curve, and attempt to lessen effect of the virus society, but which still tolerates some level of transmission within the community. This initial strategy can be pursued subsequently and simultaneously during acquired immunity phase through the natural and vaccine induced immunity. Natural report 2021 and the 90% researchers who responded survey of think that coronavirus will be become endemic. Containment. Further, the information should be contained, fails effort and focus on the mitigation measure taken to slow and spread and limit effect of healthcare system and society. Successfully mitigation delay and decrease epidemic peak known as flattening epidemic curve. This decreasing risk of overwhelming health and service and provide more time. Developing vaccine and treatment. Individual behavior changed many jurisdictions. Many people worked from home instead of their traditional workplace. Non-paramedical intervention. CDC and WHO advise masks such as worn here are Taiwan's president as the reduced spread of SARS-CoV-2. Non-paramedical intervention of the may reduce spread including personal actions such as wearing face mask, self-quarantine and hand hygiene. Community measure aim to reducing interpersonal and contact such as closing workplace and school, cancelling large gathering, community engagement inquiries and accepting the participation in such intervention as well as environmental measures such as surface cleaning. Other measure more drastic caution and quarantining entire population. Strict travel bans have been attempted various jurisdictions. Chinese and Australian government approaches have included many lockdown are widely considered most strict. New Zealand government response included most severe travel restriction as part of K quarantine program. South Korea introduced mask screening and localized quarantine and issued alert of movement infected individual. Singaporean government response including so-called circuit breaker lockdown and financial support those are affected while imposing large fine for those who broke quarantine. Contact tracing. Contact tracing attempt to identify recent contact newly infected individual and to be screened them to infection. Traditional approach request list of contacts from infectees and the telephone visit contact. Contact tracing was widely used during Western African Ebola virus epidemic in 2014. Another approach to collect location of data from mobile device, identify those who have come in significant contact infectees who promote privacy and contact. On 10 April 2020, Google and Apple announced innovative privacy preserving contact tracing. Europe and US Palantir technology initially providing a COVID-19 tracking service. Healthcare. Countries' hospital beds shortage related to COVID-19 pandemic. WHO described increasing capacity and adapting healthcare fundamental mitigation. ECDC and WHO European Regional Office issued guidelines for hospital and primarily healthcare service for shifting resource multiple level and including focusing laboratory service toward testing, cancelling and elective procedure, separating and isolating patient and increasing intensive care capacity, training personnel and increasing ventilator and bed. Pandemic drove widespread adoption of health, improved and manufacturing. Pass in Ukraine and the 2020 wearing scuba mask and absence of artificial ventilation due to supply chain capacity limitation. Some manufacturers began 3D printing materials such as nasal swab ventilator parts. One example, Italian startup received legal threat due to alleged patent infringement achievement of after reverse engineering and printing 100 requested ventilator walls overnight. Individual and group of maker created and shared open source of design and manufacturing device using locally sourced materials, sieving and 3D printing millions of face shield and protective gowns and masks were made at other HOC metal. Medical supply including shoe covers, surgical cap and power air purifying respirator and hand sanitizer. Novel devices were created such as air savers and non-invasive ventilation helmet and ventilator splitters. Herd immunity. On July 2021, several experts expressed concern that achieving herd immunity may not be imposed because of Delta can transmit among the vaccinated individuals. CDC published data showing vaccinated people could transmit Delta, something officials believed was likely other variant. Consequently, WHO and CDC encouraged vaccinated people to continue with non-paramedical interventions such as masking, social distance and quarantining if exposed. History. Prevention of pandemic prediction and the outbreak was discovered Wuhan is November 2019. Possible human-to-human transmission was happening before discovery based on the retrospective and analysis starting from December 2019. Number of cases who by gradually increased reaching 60 by 20 December and the least at the 266 31 December. Pneumonia cluster was observed 26 December and treated. Chinese pulmonologist Zhang Jishan informed Wuhan Zhishang CDC and 27 December after analyzing pneumonia patient sample genetic sequence company named Vision Medical Report discovery novel coronavirus China CDC CCDC 28 December. On 30 December test report from Capital Bio Medlab addressed Wuhan Central Hospital reported erroneous positivity of result and SARC causing doctor there to be alert authorities. 8 of those doctors including Wen Liang who was also punished 3 January were later admonished by the police spreading false rumors. Director Emergency Department Central Hospital Wuhan IFIN was also reprimanded. That even Wuhan Municipal Health Commission WHMC issued notice about the treatment of pneumonia unknown causes. Next day MHC made announcement public conferring 27 cases NF trigger to investigation. On 31 December, WHO office China was notified about cluster unknown pneumonia cases and immediately launched investigation. Official Chinese source claimed that early cases were mostly linked Wuhan seafood wholesale market, which also tried live animals until May 2020. CCDC direct charge initially ruled out market possible origin. Animal sample collected there has tested negative. 2020 timeline of COVID-19 pandemic 2020 by month of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Highway sign discouraging travel. Tornado in March 2020. On 11 January, WHO was notified Chinese National Health Commission that the outbreak was associated with the exposure in the market. The China had identified new type of coronavirus which is isolated 7 January. Initially number of cases doubled to approximately every 7.5 days. Early mid-January, virus spread to other Chinese provinces helped by Chinese New Year migration and Wuhan was transport hub of major rail interchange. On 10 January, virus GNOME was shared publicly. Retrospective study published March round of 6,174 people had reported symptom 20 January. 24 January report indicated human transmission by likely occurring at recommended personal protective equipment. Health work center also advocated test giving outbreak pandemic potential. 31 January first published modeling study warned by inevitable independent self-sustaining outbreak major cities globally and called large scale public health and interventions. On 30 January 7,818 infection had been confirmed leading WHO to declare outbreak public health emergency international concern PHEAC. On 11 March WHO announced assessment of the situation could be characterized pandemic. On 31 January Italy indicated that first confirmed infection had occurred. 2 terrorists from China. On 19 March Italy overtook China as the country with the most reported deaths and by 26 March United States had overtaken China and Italy as the country with the highest number of confirmed infection. Journal under the analysis of infected that majority New Year confirmed infection came from Europe rather than directly from Asia. Testing period sample of revealed person was who was infected France on 27 December 2019. Person in the insertion who died from disease on the 6 6 February. Exas on the Chiliaches, Besaro, Italy, March 2020. October WHO report that 110 people around the world may have been infected, or 780 million people, while only 35 million infection have been confirmed. On 9 November, released trial result for the candidate vaccine showing 90% effectiveness preventing infection. That day, Novavax submitted FDA fast track under application of vaccine. On 14 December, Public Health England reported variant had been discovered by UK Southwest, probably Kent variant, later named Alpha, showed changes to spike protein and could make the virus more infection. As 13 December, 10108 infection had been confirmed in UK. On 4 February 2020, US Secretary Health and Human Resources Alex Azar waived liability for vaccination manufacture in all cases except those are involving willful and misconduct. 2021 timeline of COVID-19 pandemic 2021 by month of January, February, March, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. On 22 January, Alpha variant first discovered UK had been identified 33 countries. On 6 January, Gamma variant was first identified Japanese traveler returning from Brazil. On 29 January, it was reported Novavax vaccine was 49% of effective against beta variant clinical trial in South Africa. Corona VAC vaccine was reported 54.4% effective Brazil clinical trial temporary hospital. COVID-19 patient in Brazil in March 2021. On 12 March, several countries stopped using Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine due to blood clotting problems, especially cerebral venous and sinus thrombosis and CVS cerebral venous sinus thrombosis problem, leading several countries resume administering vaccine. March, WHO reported what animal hosts have most likely origin without ruling out of the other possibility. Delta variant was first identified in India. Mid-April, variant was first detected UK and 2 months later had become full-fledged third wave in the country, forcing government to delay reopening that was originally scheduled in the for June 10 November, Germany advised against Moderna advanced against the vaccine people under 30 due to possible association with myocarditis. November, Omicron variant was detected in South Africa. Few days later, World Health Organization declared VOC variant of concern, the new variant more infection than Delta variant. 2022 on 1 January, Europe passed 100 million cases amidst surge in Omicron variant. Later month, WHO recommended Arthis drug paracetamol for severe and critical patient. It also recommends monoclonal antibiotic of patient with non-serve disease, but only those are who are the highest risk hospitalization. On 24 January, Institute of Health Metrics evaluation estimate about 57% of world population had been infected by COVID-19 by 6 March. It was reported total worldwide death count had been surpassed of 6 million people. Omicron subvariant BA4 BF5 had spread worldwide. WHO Director General Adhanom Ghebreyesus stated 14 September 2022, world was never have been better position end pandemic, sitting the lowest number of weekly reported deaths in the March 2020. He continued, he worked not yet by, but end of the sight we can the finish line. On 21 October, United States suppressed 99 million cases COVID-19, most cases any country. 30 October, worldwide daily death rate dole was 424, lowest since 385 deaths were reported 12 March 2020. 17 November marked 3 years anniversary since health official China first detected COVID-19. On 11 November, WHO reported that deaths since month of February had dropped 90%. Director General Adhanom Ghebreyesus said was causes optimism. December, WHO indicated that at least 90% of world population have been some level of immunity. SARS-CoV-2. Early December, China began lifting some most of stringent lockdown measure. Subsequent data from China health authorities revealed 248 million people, nearly 18% of the population, had been infected first 20 days. And month 29 December, US joined Italy, Japan, Taiwan and India, requiring negative COVID-19 test result from all people traveling from China due to new surge cases. EU refused similar and measures starting BF7 Omicron variant had already spread throughout the Europe without becoming dominant. 2023 on 4 January 2023, World Health Organization said information shared by China during recent surge infection lacked data such as hospitalization rate. 10 January, WHO Europe official said recent viral surges China posed on no immediate threat 16 January, WHO recommend China monitor excess mortality to provide more comprehensive understanding impact COVID-19. 30 January, 3 years anniversary original declaration World Health Organization determined COVID-19 still met the criteria public health emergency international concern PHEIC. On 19 March, WHO Director General Tedros indicated he was confident COVID-19 pandemic would cease and public health emergency end the year of. On 5 May, WHO downgraded COVID-19 from being global health emergency, though it the continue to refer to it as pandemic. WHO does not make official declaration when pandemic decision came after Dressers convenes the International Health Regulation Emergency Committee, wherein committee noted due to decreased death and hospitalization and prevalence of vaccination level of general immunity, it was time to remove the emergency designation and transition to the long-term management. It was agreed that WHO reduced cost and established ongoing health issues press conference and Tedros marked the diminishing threat from COVID-19 had allowed most countries to return life we know before COVID-19. September, WHO said had observed concerning trend COVID-19 case number of hospitalization, although analysis was hammered because many countries were no longer recording COVID-19 case statistics. In November 2023, response to viral mutation changing and characteristic of infection, WHO adjust treatment guidance among other changes. Remdesivir and molnupiravir were now recommended only for most severe cases and the ivermectin were recommended against. Response: national reaction ranged from strict lockdown public education campaign. WHO recommended curfew and lockdown should be short-term measure to reorganize, regroup and rebalance resources and protect their health care system. March 2020, 1.7 billion people worldwide were under some from lockdown, increased to 3.9 billion people first week April, more than half of world population. Severe country protests and rose against the restrictions such as lockdown. February 2021 study found the protests against restriction were likely directly increase the spread of virus. Asia, at the end of 2021, Asia peak had came some time of at the same level as the world who level of whole May 2021. However, cumulatively had explained the only half of global average in case. China opted containment the instituting strict lockdown eliminate virus spread. Vaccine distributed in China include BIBP, WIBP and Corona VAC was reported 11 December 2021. China had vaccinated 1.162 million citizens for the 82.5% total population country against COVID-19. China large-scale adoption zero COVID and had largely contained first wave infection disease. When the wave infection due to Omicron variant followed, China was almost alone pursuing strategy of zero COVID compact spread of virus. Lockdown continued to employ November to combat new wave cases. However, protests erupted citizens across the China over countries triggered measure the December that year. Country relaxed zero COVID-19 policy and the 20 December 2022 Chinese State Council narrowed definition of what would be counted COVID-19 death to insulted and solely respiratory failure, which led by skepticism by health expert. Government total death count at the time of when hospital reported being overwhelmed with the case following abrupt discontinuation zero COVID. First case India was reported 30 January 2020. India ordered nationwide lockdown starting 24 March 2020 with the phased unlock beginning 1 June 2020. 6 cities and accorded around the half reported case: Mumbai, Delhi, Ahmedabad, Chennai, Pune and Kolkata. Post lockdown, government India introduced contact tracking app called Aarogya Setu to help authority manage contact tracing vaccination distribution. India vaccination program was considered BB world largest most successfully with over 90% citizens getting first dose and the 65% getting second dose. Second wave hit the Indian April 2021 standing health service. 21 October 2021, it was reported country had surpassed 1 billion vaccination. Iran report first confirmed case 19 February 2020. QOM measure included cancelled and closed concert, other cultural event, Friday prayers, school and university campuses. Iran because center of the pandemic February 2020. More than 10 countries had traced their outbreak. Iran by 28 February indicating more severe outbreak. 388 reported case. Iranian parliament closed after 23 of 290 members tested positive. 3 March 2020. At least 12 sitting former Iranian politician government official had died by 17 March 2020. By August 2021, pandemic fifth wave peaked with more than 400 deaths in one day. COVID-19 was confirmed South Korea on 20 January 2020. Military bases were quarantined after tests showed 3 infected soldiers. South Korea introduced that was the considered world's largest and best organized screening program, isolating infected people and tracing and quarantine contact. Screening method induced mandatory self-reporting new international arrival through the mobile application. Campaign drive through the testing and increasing testing capability. 20,000 people day. Despite some day earlier criticism, South Korea program was considered success in controlling outbreak without quarantine entire city. Europe COVID-19 pandemic arrived in Europe with the first confirmed case BRODEX France on 24 January 2020. Subsequently spread widely across continent by 17 March 2020. Every country Europe had a confirmed case. All had reported at least one death with the exception of Vatican City. Italy was the first European nation to experience major outbreak early 2020, become the first country worldwide introduced national lockdown. By 13 March 2020, World Health Organization WHO declared Europe epicenter pandemic remained until the WHO announced had been overtaken by South American 22 to May. 18 March 2020, more than 250 million people were locked down in Europe. Despite deployed COVID-19 vaccine, Europe became pandemic epicenter once again in late 2021. Italian outbreak began 31 January 2020 when 2 Chinese tourists tested positive for SARS-CoV-2. Rome cases began to rise sharply, which promoted government to suspend flight data from China and declare state emergency. 22 February 2020, Council Minister announced new decrees law to contain outbreak, which quarantined more than 50,000 people in northern Italy. On 4 March, Italian government ordered school and university closed. Italy reached 100 death spot and was suspended completely at least 1 month. Primate Giuseppe Conte closed down nearly all commercial activity except supermarket and pharmacies. 19 April first wave ebbed 7-day death and declined 433. 13 October Italian government again issued restrictive rule to contain second wave. On 10 November Italy surpassed 1 million confirmed infection. 23 November it was reported second wave virus had been led some hospital to stop accepting patients. Vaccination and retirement home from Spain and December 2020. The virus was first confirmed have spread to Spain 31 January 2020. German tourists tested positive SARS-CoV-2 on the LAGAOMR Canary Island. Post HOC genetic analysis has been at least 15 strain virus had been imported. Community transmission began by mid-February. 29 March it was announced beginning following day. Non-essential workers were ordered to remain home and next 14 days. Number of cases increased again July, November. Number of cities and including the Maryland and led by reimposition of some restriction, no national lockdown. The September 2021 Spain was the one of the country highest percentage it was population vaccinated. 76% of fully vaccinated and 79% of first dose. Italy has ranked second and 75%. Sweden, different from most other European countries, mostly remained open. Swedish constitution and public health agency Sweden autonomy and the prevent political interference and agency farmer favored remaining open. Swedish strategy focused long-term measure based on assumption after lockdown virus would resume spreading with the same result. End of the June, Sweden no longer had excess mortality. Devaluation United Kingdom meanwhile each 4 countries developed by one response. England and restriction were short-lived in the other. UK government started enforcing social distancing and quarantine measure 18 March 2020. 16 March Prime Minister Boris Johnson advised against non-essential travel and social contact, pricing work from home and avoiding venues such as pubs, restaurant and theatre. March government order all leisure is closed and promised to prevent unemployment. 33 March Johnson banned gathering and restriction non-essential travel and outdoor activity. Unlike previous measures, these are restrictions were enforceably police and through the fines and dispersal of gathering. Most non-essential business were ordered to close the 24 April 2020. It was reported promising vaccine trial had begun. England and government pledged more than euro 50 million toward research and 16 April 2020 it was reported UK would have first access to Oxford vaccine due to period contract should be trial was successfully. Some 30 million doses would be available. On 2 December 2020 UK became the first developed country to approve the vaccine of 8 lakh doses were immediately available for use. August 2020